Now, here are the first rulings from 1985 from the Delaware River Basin Commission, and they're the ones that are supposed to be looking out for the health and welfare. In this regulations, it gave stipulations of what were safe withdrawals from the Schuylkill River, and along with the letter, September 2008, where it was admitted that there was a problem with the clam kill. This has all been totally documented, and I wish to make this as my testimony. Submitted comments to make sure that this is thoroughly documented, and to further enhance my concern for the Schuylkill River, we will be adding this to the YouTube collection. That's the best I can do. There you have it there, B.